Hey Gems, how you doing? This is Fidiamondintherough and DIYMoon Shop's Whimsical April. New artist is in here. Okay, so let's get into this and let's see who the new artist is. I will pop up, because we actually don't have information on this at this stage, I'll pop up everything that comes through. They get beautiful stuff for us. So let's get into this. Look at this. Okay. Now, you guys know I love DIYMoon Shop. I love the service. I love the quality. And I love the people behind it. So, Roanna and Reggie, thank you for this opportunity. So, we have the Artist Collective, DIYMoon Shop. Wow. We have Karla Gerard. Karla is a self-taught artist. Let's see if I can get that up for you. Karla is a self-taught artist from Maine, USA. Her passion is painting pattern landscapes and abstracts with crooked houses and swirl trees, combining folk art with abstract. Karla's patterns come from her love of fabrics. Her whimsical and colourful images transport her audience into an imaginary, magical world. Okay. Oh, I'm looking at these images without you. Oh, these are cool. I'll show you these artists a little bit later, but these images a little bit later. Let's see what's in here. It's always exciting to see a new artist, and to actually have someone from the USA is good. Especially you guys in the US, when it's someone you can relate to, and in Maine. So, let's see what's in here. Okay, Gems, interrupting this unboxing to go through all the fantastic promotions of DIYMoon Shop for their Whimsical April new artist launch for Karla Gerard. I am excited about this, and they have a couple of options, and for the freebies, getting quick. So part 1, from the 5th of April to 11th of April midnight Philippine time, you get 3 special treatments, 3 freebies. One is a special treatment, one is the tote bag, and one is a funsel puzzle. The designs for the tote bag and the funsel puzzle are given at random. And from the 12th of April to the 18th of April, part 2 freebies, where you get only the tote bag and the funsel puzzle, yet again given at random. Part 3 of the freebies is from the 19th of April to the 25th of April, and that is just the funsel puzzle, and that's given at random. DIYMoon Shop also has a coupon promo from the 5th of April to the 30th of April. If you pop my name in there, DIYMoonDintherough, you will get a free matching artist acrylic cover minder with your purchase of any diamond painting. So that's from the 5th of April to the 30th of April. Okay, next fantastic offer that DIYMoon Shop is a coupon user raffle. So if you use my name, you'll go into a draw for a free Karla Gerard college beadboard. So that is fantastic. But also, if you go in that draw and you use my name, and you happen to win the beadboard, I go in and I will win a beadboard too. So that's fantastic. I do have 2 beadboards, so if I ever won it, I will say straight up front, I will actually do it as a prize on my channel. So I will say I'd love a 3rd beadboard. It's not necessary. So it's a win-win. If somebody, one of my subscribers, so one of your gems, goes out there and wins it using my name, there'll be a drawing for a free one for someone else down the track. So with that said, I will get back to the regular scheduled recording of the unboxing. Okay, there's something extra special in the end there. What do we got? It looks like it goes that way. So I'm going to unravel this. Oh, you can kind of see the design there, can't you? And turn it upside down. What the? What the? What have we got here? Oh, is that a tote bag? Oh. Okay. Eeny, miny, miny, mo. What do we go with? Okay. Oh. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. So pretty. Okay. I wasn't going to show the image, but let's roll it over so you can have a look at it. And it is a look at that. Oh, there's cut for those of you who love colour blocking. There's colour blocking in there. But look at that. Okay, now I'm still obviously learning the new artist. So Karla Gerard. That is so cool. Look at that. So, bird, 10 houses, and a swirl tree. So, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's a bird, 10 houses, and a swirl tree. How pretty. Well, that's going to be a bit of a rainbow of colours. Let's have a look at that. Is it a rainbow of colours? Some nice colours in there. Okay. So that is a 59 by 45. Okay, let's have a look. What is in bag number 1? Cover minder. So I dare say, don't quote me on this, but I dare say you'll probably, with these, there'll be some offer for cover minders. If there is, I'll pop it on the screen. And in my eagerness, I'm always so eager to get into these. In my eagerness. Okay, so another cover minder and another one. Okay, Home Sweet Home, Karla Gerard. Look at that. Oh, I love that one. That's another one of hers images. Okay. I'm not going to go through the drill tray, the bag. You will, in this, you will have 2 drill trays. You will have big piece of wax. You will have 2 drill pens and a pair of tweezers, which was sticking out there. But I'm going to leave that in there. I'm going to leave that sealed up. You can go on to their accessories, DIYMoon Shop's accessories, and you will find that you have the option where you don't get any of that if you don't want it. Okay, so we have special gems, and we have, this one is another one of her images. This is really sharing the images, you see. Folk bird. See if I can open this one up. Ah, there it is. Look at this. How pretty. I've absolutely damaged that bag. No chance of anything in that bag. DIYMoon Shop has got the little button on there. Let's have a look. Oh! This is what I haven't done yet. I haven't gone from them. Is a puzzle. I'm not going to attempt that at the moment. Little puzzle, folk bird. Okay, I'll pop that in there. Shouldn't have poured out so many. But jigsaw puzzle with the folk bird, which is pretty cool, in its own pouch. Okay. I better put that back in there so we've got there. We know what picture we've got. Whoops. And that does pop straight in there. Okay. Rowanna, Reggie, you've outdone yourselves with a package this time. Love it. So far, love it, everything that I've got so far. Let's have a look. Before I go through the drills, let's have a look at this tote bag. Let's look at the size of this tote bag. This is really getting to see what they have in their range, which is really fantastic. From, you know, tote bags which celebrate the artist. Does this actually say which one it is? No, it doesn't say what one it is. Yeah, tote bags celebrate the artist. We've got pencil, jigsaw puzzles that celebrate artists. Cover mine that celebrate their artists. You've got the masks that celebrate their artists. What else? They do so much to celebrate and help artists out. So let's go with the drills. I'm going to pull these out, spread them out as I normally do. Make sure they're all there, as I always do. Pack them up and I'll come back to you. So enjoy this, whatever music I pick for you today. All the colours are there, and I managed to get it back in the bag where you can actually see all the colours again. Finally worked that trick out. Okay, let's get into these special drills. Let's see where they go. Ooh. Okay, there is just the two colours, which is quite fine by me because trying to look at that and go where we're going to put them. Okay, so we have the prism, and let's see if I can, there we go, camera's focusing on that, oh that goodness. So that is prism with the black background, black back, and that's to sprinkle on the tree and also on the bird. So that's gonna, I'm probably likely to do it up on here, but looking at this, this is color blocking with the M. I will highly likely use the M on that, or possibly even the O. So just as a little bit of an idea what I do, what I possibly do is I look at a colour and go, okay, I'll go with that one. I might even go with the O, which will actually give me up here, actually up into the branches. Okay, the next one is gems. Place on circle blooms in tree. Oh, look at this. Isn't that goodness? Multicolored different gems, so they're not all the same. And so they will be in the center of those blooms. That's going to be so cool. So cool. So, okay, so what do you think? Oh, I'm eager to do this one. I'm eager to do them all. Rowanna and Reggie, thank you for the opportunity yet again to share another fresh artist with everybody. I will say down below there is a link. If you want to support my channel, when you purchase any DIYMoon Shop product and you put my name in the comments, Diamond in the Rough in the comments or in the code, I earn a little bit of a commission from them, and it just goes towards the channel. And as you probably noticed, I've started putting up videos again. So yeah, there we go, gems. I will try and put all the details of this on the screen partway through. Hopefully you've seen the offers that they're doing. Highly likely there'll be an special offer with the special drills. There'll be an offer with a cover miner. So this is all me going, this is what they may be offering, because they are generous and they offer so much. Check them out. They're not just diamond paintings, they support their artists with other things. So you've got the opportunity to support them in a few different ways. So yeah, gems, let me know what you think. Comment, like, subscribe. I dare say DIYMoon Shop will actually give me images to put on the screen, but these are the images on the card from her. So Karla, oh, look at that one. When it focuses, there's too much good. There's just so much goodness, so much colour. Geez, look at how big that one. If you compare that one to that one, that's going to be a bit longer. Okay, and then the last one there. Okay, gems, get out and have a check out DIYMoon Shop, the Artist Collective. Links down below to their Facebook group, which is DIYMoon Shop, that is the Artist Collective. I will put the link down to their 2 YouTube channels. One is the DIYMoon Shop channel, one is Rowanna's, and Instagram. I will put the links down to them. And thank you, DIYMoon Shop, yet again for this opportunity to share another fantastic artist. So yeah, gems, comment, like, subscribe, share, all that jazz, and